Welcome to Chalkboard Academy. Please subscribe. This is your channel. Like, share how much you can. Really, we need your support. And in between the lesson, I will not tell again and again subscribe, like, and all that things. I know that it will irritate you, so that's why I'm not at all going to tell any more these things. First, only before starting the lesson, please subscribe and like. Thank you.
So next chapter in VK, that is methods of calculating national income. We are going to see that how many methods we have, that how to deal with that. If you remember that where that we have seen the three phases. Three phases are where actually what was that income phase, expenditure phase, or can say the disposition phase, right? Expenditure phase. Another one is production phase, right? Production phase. Three phases where there we have seen exactly these three phases made as a method for calculating of national income. So income method, expenditure method, production method, otherwise known as the value added method. Okay, value added method. So three methods we have. One is that value added, another one is income, another one is expenditure method. Now, see, first is that value added method, otherwise known as the product method also. What is that as per this national income? Indirectly, there is how much goods and services produced within an economy, within domestic territory, as well the income you earn from that outside, combinedly known as national income as per the product method. That means goods and services produced. That is value added method. Value added method, what is value added actually? Value added is nothing but what? That any one of the goods you have purchased, that goods when you processing, that goods value increasing. Say example, cotton I made, when the cotton price is 50, cotton I have converted into cloth, that rate is 80 rupees. So indirectly what, how much addition has done? 30 rupees addition has done. I hope clear. This is known as the value addition. Now value added or value added addition equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. What is the meaning of that? Value of output, say one output I have done, what I told here, output total amount, that is 80 rupees. If you could find out the cloth rate is 80 rupees minus intermediate consumption. That means that cotton I have purchased out of what, 50 rupees. So that intermediate I have used as in the form of raw material. So intermediate consumption, you can say that is a raw. So that what are the raw you have used out of your value of output, if you subtracted raw, it become value added. So value of output equal to, you can say that value added equal to, you can say that value of output minus intermediate consumption. Now value of output total, if you asking me, what should be value of output, we have seen here, right? Value of output total in our countries, total value of output, how could we find out? Sales, if entire output of the year is sold during the year. So that sales, if sales, only sales, that means 80 rupees we have seen sales, that is one of the value of output. If all that things, entire goods what you produce, that already you sold, then value of output only sales. Value of output could be different also. When sales, change in stock, indirectly what, the goods how much you produce, that unsold also there, that time we are taking that change in stock also. What is the meaning of that? So value of output we are computing as per 1 year, correct or not? So this 1 year, say I produced 100 units, this 100 units only be my output, but out of 100 units I sold 90 units. So 90 units is the sales, correct? And 10 units is still stock, correct or not? This stock, it's become change in stock. How it is change in stock? Let's see. This year 2022, from 2021, 10 units I have. From 2021, one stock was there that was closing stock for 2021 that sent to me 2022. Got the point? This things. So
Yes, sir.
when that 2022 it's coming here, just 2022 this become now opening stock. Now this opening stock next 2023 will go that end of the 22 I am having another closing stock. Correct or not? So that time closing stock minus opening stock, what are the stock actually I am having, that is known as the change in stock. This change in stock actually I belongs to this year. Got the point? That's why it is known as the change in stock to be added with the sales. I hope clear.
Yes, sir.
So that value of output equal to sales plus change in stock. And remember that here change in stock equal to closing stock minus opening stock.
Opening stock.
Yes, and remember that if domestic sales given, that time,
You have to add export. No?
very good. We should add export also for finding out the sales. So sales equal to domestic sales plus export plus change in stock. If I'm doing that, that will become value of output. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And intermediate consumption, simple way that what are the raw materials you're using there, that is known as the intermediate consumption. But intermediate consumption not include any fixed assets, remember that. So today up to this only.